Hello guys, welcome to part 2. In this part we are making laminate and we are baking our croissants. Okay guys, we are using here 300 grams of butter. I'm using this company 84% butter. You can use another company also. Okay guys, I'm putting my butter in the zip keep 25 to 20 centimeters. We will widen it same rectangle to use in the middle of our dough for laminating. Okay guys, we will widen it same rectangle, very nice, and after we will put in the freezer to freeze it. After we can use for our dough. Okay, this is our butter after freezing. Now my butter is frozen. We will cut with the some cutter, very nice and very perfect. Don't damage your butter, and we will use for our dough. The temperature is too important. It should to be between 7 to 13 centigrades. Okay guys, this is our dough. We put it in the freezer 1 day before using, and we put it in the refrigerator 6 hours before using because the reduce the temperature and balance the temperature between 5 to 7. When you're making laminate, your dough it should to be 7 to 10 centigrades. Now I widened my dough to use the butter, but now my room temperature is too high. I put in the freezer to reduce from the temperature, but be careful, you should to siphon it full because not enter any air, because your dough is coming dry. When your dough is coming dry, you can't use it, and be careful this tip. Okay guys, this is our dough after reducing from the temperature. My dough is now 1 centigrade because when I'm laminating and flip it and everything, it's coming high. We will put our butter to middle of our dough and we will flip it, the dough from the left to middle and from the right to middle. And we will close it full. Be careful, you should to put your butter in the middle of your dough. From the left to middle and from the right to middle, and we will close it together. I'm using some sticks. We will push bottom and top, and from the middle we will widen it to up, and from the middle we will widen it to down. Okay guys, this is our dough. Now it's 5 centigrade. It's best temperature for laminating, and I'm using sheeter for lamination, but you can use some sticks for laminating. Okay guys, when you widen your dough, you will cut from the top and bottom, left and right, because you should to widen it very beautiful. After we flip it and make it everything okay, we will put in the freezer to reduce from the temperature 30 to 40 minutes. We wide it. Now again with the some cutter we will cut again, because we should to flip them and put everything nice together. We will flip from the left to middle and from the right to up of that, top of that. I'm using 10 centimeters and 36 centimeters for cutting. Okay, now we are cutting our triangle very nice and beautiful with the some cutter. Okay, I finished cutting. Now I make a space for rolling. Just be careful for rolling. It should, everything, the temperature, it should to be down. Now roll same my hand. See, from up to down, slowly, slowly. If you can make the last direction, make with your hand, because it's coming very nice and beautiful. See my hand, same this one. We will roll it nice and nice. With the last we will make with hand, because it's coming very nice and beautiful. Okay, for the proving, we will put in the prover 28 centigrades for 3 or 4 hours with the 100% of humidity. Now we put it on the prover. This is our dough, our croissants. This is after proving. We will put in the oven for 10 minutes 180 centigrades and 8 minutes for 170 centigrades. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe. This is our croissants. After baking and everything, you can see the inside. Everything is perfect. Everything is beautiful. Thank you for watching.